in Physician Assistant in School of Allied Health in Vinayaga Mission Research Foundation, Salem in the year 2020. I am a 2016 batch alumni. Currently, I am working in Apollo Hospital, Chennai in General Surgery Department. Coming back to my college days, the memories are quite refreshing. Even now, if I think of my college, I feel like going back there because it was quite good. Before entering my college, I was a little bit scared and little bit introverted. But once I entered there, it was all because of my teachers and friends. They are so supportive and made me enhance my personality. By encouraging us to integrate with students and peoples of different states helps us to learn integrity. Apart from the syllabus and classes, there were a lot of extracurricular activities conducted by our college like a cultural sports meet, etc., which made our college days much more memorable. Even they bring us opportunity to attend more seminars, workshops, etc. to expand our knowledge. Our hostel life was so memorable and unforgettable. School of Allied Health provide us the best food and accommodation for us. I felt safe when I was in hostel with all care and support from our management side. They also provide us good lab facilities to expand our practical knowledge. There was a huge round of applause to all our professors who are instrumental in making this day happen. I would like to take this opportunity to thank our Honorable Dean and Director Dr. V. Sendil Kumar and our beloved faculties for offering this chance to be a proud alumna of School of Allied Health in Vinayaga Mission Research Foundation.
I am Santosh Shankar, Physician Assistant in Orthopedic Surgery in Apollo Main Hospital, Chennai, with Dr. Pragasalam, Senior Orthopedic Consultant. I am a 2020 passed out alumni of School of Allied Health Science, Vinayaga Mission Research Foundation, Salem. I would like to thank all the faculties of Vinayaga Mission Research Foundations who showed utmost care for the student academics and well-being. Apart from the syllabus, they had taught us many characteristics traits towards the personality developments. Our college has also given us a lot of experience in sports, conference, seminars and social activities. Also in entertainment fields such as culturals, to competitions, etc. Now coming to the best part of my life, the hostel life, where I had a lot of fun and many unforgettable moments which I will cherish forever. Everything from the college has concluded. Only thing that remains constant are my friends and staffs. Finally, I would like to thank the institution for giving me such a great opportunity, knowledge and experience, and I wish all the best for all the prospective students. Thank you.
I am Krishna Priya, BSc Physician Assistant, 2016-2020 batch, School of Allied Health Science, Vinayaga Mission Research Foundation, Salem. Vinayaga Mission is one of the most top colleges offering the best paramedical courses. A year back, 2016, I was just a girl who came in Tamil Nadu with the very first time. I was scared to unknown, but the secured atmosphere of the college, caring and supportive staff, friends, everything made me to pass through the most wonderful moments in my life, especially the hostel life. BSc Physician Assistant is a 3-year undergraduate course with 1-year internship. The students, those who passed out in Vinayaga Mission Institution, receiving n number of career opportunities. On behalf of Vinayaga Mission Research Foundation, I am so proud to say that I have been selected as an Indian student representative for International Federation of Physician Assistant, IFPACS. I started to think about individual development the moment I have joined in Vinayaga Mission. I have met a lot of people from different backgrounds, different cultures, etc. Each and every person made me to grow and realize or understood myself. Now I feel that Vinayaga Mission has prepared me well extreme for my future ups and downs. I can't stop being thankful for that. This is my privilege to thank our Dean and Director Dr. B. Sendil Kumar for the wonderful support and care he has given for the students and parents.